All right, this morning we have some super exciting stuff happening in our project here. As you can see, ballenvegas.com is up 25.37% in traffic today. So when I see something like that, I pretty much know that I either increased my keyword rankings in some order, or I have something new bringing in traffic. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Ballen Vegas so we can take a look and see. All right, you can see where this needle is starting to move up here based on our project. And here we go. Las Vegas zip codes is now number 11. Las Vegas zip code is now number 11. So just that one strategy last week of doing the redirect on the cannibalizing page. Actually, I'm sorry, we changed all the keywords on that page, is helping us move up. But there is a catch again. Watch this. So we're going to go to view full report. It's very interesting to watch what's happening here. And then we're going to go ahead and go over to, we want to go to pages. So let me go to the new version of this tool. We're going to go to pages. Okay. Now, we still have, let me look at this. Hold on. Let me go back for a second because I want to show you something specific. Okay, filter by keyword, zip code. Now remember, we don't want other pages stealing our main zip code keywords. And this is where I went wrong because I built way too many pages around zip codes thinking, let me build this website and make the whole website about zip codes and build this hierarchy of the parent page zip code and then all of the child zip codes. And in doing so, the less competitive term pages ended up stealing the main zip code keyword, which we don't want that to be happening. Okay, so let's take a look here. Las Vegas zip code. That's the page that we're really going for. Now watch what happens here. Remember last week, another page was stealing that traffic, and it's right here. So what we did is we took off all of the zip code keywords. So we're still waiting. We just made the last update. So we're still waiting to see how this page updates. If I have to, I will do a redirect on this page and then start over on what I want my strip map to look like so that I can pass the link juice from this page to the zip code page if we have to. So now here's the next one, Las Vegas zip code map. That one's fine. That one, okay, here we go. Look at this, watch. Las Vegas zip code map. Bizarre, it goes to my Summerlin zip code page. So again, we've still got some cannibalism going on. Summerlin zip codes. Okay, here's a new one. Las Vegas zip code map. Let's look at what page it goes to. All right, that one goes to my parent page. So this shows that what we're doing is working because we have a new ranking at number 12. It's going to the correct page. Summerlin zip codes is fine. Summerlin zip codes is fine. Vegas strip code is going to the right page. Good. I can tell because I'm looking at the very end here. So those are going to the right page. Those are all fine. Okay, this isn't actually bad at all. Let me go now. Let's go look at pages. I thought I had spotted another page stealing some of the zip code, but maybe I didn't. So let's take a look at the keywords on the zip code map. Actually, we already made those changes, so let's leave that one alone for a minute. We changed that one last week. Let's look at the Summerlin zip codes one. Yeah, that's so weird that that one has Las Vegas, Nevada zip code. Okay, let's take a look at this Summerlin one because it does look like it could be stealing some of that away. I'm looking to see if there's any keywords on the page that could be causing us any problems. Potentially. I don't know that I want to make a bunch of changes to that, but I do not like that it's ranking for the Las Vegas, Nevada zip code. Let me see if that's anywhere on the page. Yeah, you know what we're going to do? Let's go ahead and edit this. And let's see. So Summerlin zip codes. Shop MLS listings in Summerlin by zip code. Okay, let's take this off with the and make that just say Summerlin zip code map. Oh, right here. Let me see if there's anywhere else. So this is another one of those cases where, depending on how much traffic this page is bringing in, it may be smart of me to just list the Summerlin zip codes on the main page. In fact, let's look at that as an idea. Hold on. Let's see. What does that look like on zip codes? Where's our zip code page? Yeah, because technically it's outranking the zip code page for total keywords. So what if we just put the Summerlin zip codes on this page? Let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to edit the showcase. Let's go down to the bottom. Okay, very good. And then we're going to add, let's add it right here. Summerlin zip codes. Okay, then we're going to go back to our zip code page, Summerlin zip code page. Oops. Really, all I'm doing is taking each one of these content blocks and I'm just going to add it to this one block right here. We're going to see how this looks because I don't want it to be, oops, messy. This is going to look a little different with Gutenberg. Right now we're still using the editor we built at my marketing company, Ballen Brands, and Gutenberg has now rolled out, so this is going to look a little bit different as we're creating new content, but editing our old content is still compatible, so it's easier to do this. Okay, now let's take a look and see what this looks like. So see, here's the visual. All right, I don't know. Let's do a preview. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, but you know what I'm missing is the titles on each one. Okay, so we're almost there. So what we'll do now, go back down to Summerlin, right up here. Okay, Oh, but I didn't save what each one was. Okay, we have 89128, and then we had, let me just look at what they are right here. All right, we had 89128, and then we had 89134. So that would look like this. And I'm going to make that a heading 3. Because if I make it a heading 2, it shows up in my table of contents. And I don't want it up there because we already have Summerlin zip codes, which is fine. So now which one goes under 89134? We're going to have 89135. Whoops. Don't know what's happening there. Okay. And then we have 89138. And then we have 89144. Stay with me. I'm going to show you what we do with the other page now. Similar to what we did last week. No, actually, the week before when we did the redirect. 444, 89148. Okay. Now let's take a look and make sure this looks correct. I'm going to click Preview Changes. Oh, let's go down to Summerlin. All right, 89128, 89134. Yep, it looks great. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, perfect. This is what we want. So let's go ahead and update this page. So we're going to edit the date. Today is December 8th. We made enough changes. I'm going to click Update. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to take this page, nope, Summerlin page, right here. And we're going to redirect this page now to our main zip code page. So we're going to come down here to the bottom, and we're going to go to where I have my redirects. We're going to make redirect active, redirect, and we're going to click Update. Now, what you want to be watching for when you're doing all this is you should have a broken link checker on your website, and you should be checking for broken links. You could do this with a plugin, or you could use a separate audit. So the tool that we're using here for all of our keyword management, there's a link below this video. This tool also has a site audit, and will tell you if you have broken links. Because sometimes what happens is if you redirect a parent page, the child pages will frequently get broken if that has child pages. So let's even look. Greater Las Vegas zip codes. If I go down here to Summerlin, let me see if I put any child pages under it. I don't think so. Okay, so now we're going to update that page. So now all of, let's look at it, make sure this works. Yep, it did work. Okay, guys, now watch what should happen. Okay, so this was the page that we were working on, Summerlin. It had 49 keywords. What should happen next is, now that we did the redirect, we're hoping that those keywords now flow down to this zip code page, and that one picks up those rankings, because that redirect tells Google that this page, this new page that we're pointing to, is actually the main content now we want for that previous page. So we're hoping that that link juice flows, and we're hoping that the keywords flow. Now, if we see a result that's the opposite, where all of a sudden our traffic goes down because we lost these keywords and they did not flow to another page, then we go turn the redirect off and we do a different strategy. So this is kind of what we're watching for. So I will come back and continue to monitor this. Go back and watch the first videos in this series if you're just starting to follow along, because it's pretty incredible to watch how we are building this, increasing these the rankings and traffic. We're up 22. What was it? Up 22, up 25% today just for one position. Our traffic is. And now that one keyword phrase is 22% of our entire web traffic for all 12,000 or whatever it is ranking keywords. So pretty incredible. Just one little element, one little move can be that astronomical when it comes to traffic on a website. I'm Lori Ballen, and I will check back in with you guys on the next video.